Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at the behavior of a polynomial at a zero. Or zero is another way that we can say x-intercept. That's saying the function value happens to be zero. So there's three things that we're going to worry about here. That's going to be, so if I take something like x minus a to the n. So we know that function has a 0 at a because of the fact that it's a factor. There's three things we have to worry about. N equals 1. That's going to be a special case that we're going to talk about. Then n is even, or n is odd. So when n equals 1, if you think about the line y equals x, that just passes right through the origin, doesn't level off or anything. So it's going to be something that looks like that. It's going to go through the x-axis, not level off or anything. Now when n is even, think about the behavior at 0 of y equals x squared. It hits the axis and then goes back where it came from, so it's going to look something like that. Then finally, when n is odd, and I should put in here n greater than or equal to 3, because we already talked about 1. So it is still going to cross in this situation if you think about y equals x cubed. It still crosses, but what it does is it levels off before it goes across. Now I drew that in such a way that it looks like it goes flat for a while, which isn't really true, but you will definitely see when you look at a graph that it's going to level off a little bit before it goes across. So that's the behavior of a function at the zeros. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to find these zeros.